The Geotab ELD Settings Validator tool can help you to determine if there is any missing information from your driver's profiles or your truck profiles. To access it, select ELD Settings Validator. It will pull up your user's or driver's profile information, and it'll show you if the information is valid or missing. So here we can see driver 1234. The full name is correct. The authority information is correct. Company information is correct. And here we're missing the DOT number. So we go to the information box here. That will take you to the driver's profile. Go to the hours of serving settings, and you can see that the carrier number is missing. So in this case, we're going to enter that information and select save. Now we can go back to the settings validator. And as you can see, driver 1234 no longer has any missing information, so it doesn't show up there. Now we're going to have driver 5678. Again, the information for the name is correct, authority is correct, company and DOT number, and the license information is missing. So we go to the information tab, and we go to the driver tab here, and you have to enter in the license number and the state. Select save, and you can go back to the ELD Settings Validator. As you can see, no other users came up. You can perform the same action for vehicles. So here we have this vehicle that's missing the license plate information, as well as the automatic ELD information. As a manager, you do not have access to the truck profiles. So if you notice anything missing from the truck profile, please gather that information and send it to the Geotab support email. That's geotab@postalfleetsvs.com, and the support team will make the corrections for you.